Okay, let's take a tour of 20021 on MSC World America. This is a deluxe balcony suite in the Yacht Club section, deck 20 forward on World America. As soon as you come in, bathroom right there on the left. You got your sink, plenty of shelves there for storage. Toilet, walk-in shower, no door or curtain, which is good. Right there, you've got the Yacht Club bathrobes hanging up on the back of the door. All right, first set of closets right here outside the bathroom. So you've got a large wardrobe here for all of your hanging clothes. Steps there for shoes, extra pillows for the sofa bed. You've got the regular king-size bed. It's actually two twins put together to be a king. Take a look at outlets. You've got USB power outlets there. Also over by the bed in the lamps, you've got a USB-C port on both sides of the bed. Then over here in the living area, you've got a sleeper sofa that sleeps two, so this room can accommodate up to four. Then you've got another closet over here with some more shelves, some pull-out drawers, more area for hanging clothes up. And since this is a Yacht Club room, you've got the coffee maker and a mini bar that's stocked with all of your favorite beverages. As far as the safe is in a drawer. So you just pull it out, pop all your casino winnings right in there, and there's your safe. Also some more drawers for storage right there. And over here you've got all of your stuff for your suite, including glasses, your champagne flutes, ice buckets, some more snacks, and then you have your coffee service items right down there. And another drawer right below. And that is a look at Balcony Suite 20021 in the Yacht Club on MSC World America.